In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get longer answers from ChatGPT. If you've ever received a reply that felt too brief, the good news is you can guide the model to deliver deeper, more complete responses. We'll focus on three simple approaches: crafting detailed prompts, asking for expanded formats, and using smart follow-ups to build depth. First, use detailed and specific prompts. Clearly explain what information you need instead of leaving it open-ended. Add context, your goals, and the style you prefer. If you want a thorough walkthrough rather than a quick overview, say so. Phrases like, provide a comprehensive step-by-step explanation, signal that you expect structure and depth. The more descriptive your prompt, the easier it is for ChatGPT to understand your intent and expand the response. For example, tell it who the audience is, why you need the answer, and what to include or avoid. You might specify the tone, professional, friendly, or academic, and mention whether you want definitions, background, or practical applications. Clear direction leads to longer, more useful answers. Next, ask for expanded formats. If you want more than a single paragraph, request lists, examples, and detailed breakdowns. Ask for an introduction to set context, a conclusion to summarize key points, and deeper analysis to connect ideas. Prompts like explain in detail or expand each point encourage the model to elaborate on every section rather than skimming the surface. You can also specify a desired word count or paragraph length to calibrate the scope. For instance, ask for a 5-paragraph overview with examples, or a 700-word analysis with a brief case study. Calling out structure and length helps prevent overly short replies and ensures the coverage matches your expectations. Finally, use follow-up prompts to extend and refine the answer. If a response stops early or feels incomplete, ask ChatGPT to continue or to finish the section it started. Request additional examples, alternative perspectives, or more advanced explanations to add depth. If something interests you, say, go deeper into this topic and point to the exact section you want expanded. For very large subjects, break the conversation into multiple connected questions. Tackle one piece at a time, then build on it with the next prompt, maintaining continuity so each follow-up grows the overall detail. Put these three strategies together, and you'll reliably get longer, richer answers that meet your needs.